Yeah. Well, this is
Look at the colors on this thing.
hookup number 7. Sam's on a roll. And again, they're taking the blue wing olives off the surface. Yeah, let me get a close up of that.
You get a close up of him?
Yeah. Ooh, nice.
That's a beautiful.
Yeah, nice. Yeah, good job, Sam. Oh, nice area. I'm going to do a pan of the area.
He had nice red. Nice reds on him.
And getting close to that spawning time. Yeah. Yeah, just kind of interesting. This. I'll pan in on this tree stand. Yeah, nobody in it this time, but.
I bet you see some big bucks in here.
Oh yeah. I walk in the path, I saw a lot of scrapes. Alright, let me just get a shot downstream here. You watch me, Sam.
Oh.
Yeah. Don't make me the biggest catch of the day. Yeah, nice area. Yeah. Alright, you're probably, the way the fish are still working that surface. Anyway, they're working that kind of foam line. There's a little back eddy, but what they're doing is just hitting the leading edge of it. Yeah. Alright, Sam, let me get out of the way and you can resume your casting.